Did you know you can sew a cute baby frock for a 1-year-old using less than half a yard of fabric? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through this simple sewing project, and it's perfect for beginners. If this is something you are interested in, then let's get right into the details. So I've gone ahead to cut out 2 pieces of fabric for this beautiful dress. The width of my fabric is 21 inches and I'm working with less than half yard of fabric. I also have a total length of 17 inches for this fabric. So the first thing we are going to do to make this dress is to separate the pieces of fabric, and then I'll fold in the top this way and stitch it down to clean the neckline. So this is going to be the neckline for the dress. So fold in the other piece and stitch it down. So I'm done stitching down, and here I have the neckline stitched down beautifully and it's neat as well. So I'm going to turn the fabric to the wrong side so we can mark out our lines where we'll be stitching our elastic tape. From the top, mark half an inch and then mark it on the other side of the fabric. Then I'm going to go down by half an inch again. I need a total of 6 lines to complete this dress. So mark out half an inch, 6 lines on the fabric piece. When you are done marking these lines, you need to connect them with a straight line across the fabric. So rule out a straight line across for each of the points that we made. And I'll be repeating the same process for the other piece of fabric as well. So if you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, comment, and then share with your loved ones. So I'm done with the lines, and I have here my elastic tips. I have a total of 12 strips here because I have 6 lines on each of my fabric. So this elastic tape is very thin. The width is about 1/4 of an inch and I have a length of about 11 inches. So I'm going to place the elastic tape on the fabric and then I'll stitch it down on my sewing machine. So while I'm stitching, I'll be dragging it along so that the fabric can gather beautifully. I'll repeat the same process on each of the lines that I've marked, and remember to also rule out the lines on the other piece of fabric where you'll be stitching your elastic tape on the fabric. So this is what the fabric looks like after stitching them down with the elastic tape. This is the wrong side, and then I have some beautiful gathers created on the top part of this dress. So the next thing we are going to do is to work on the straps of this dress. So I have here 2 pieces of fabric for my straps. The width of the fabric is 3 inches and I have a total length of 7 inches. So I'm going to fold this fabric into 2 on the right side and I'll stitch it down on half an inch. I'll repeat the same process for the other side and also stitch it down. So I've stitched the straps down and then I turn it inside out and give it a good press on the ironing table. So the next thing we are going to do is to stitch our strap onto the dress. So I'm going to measure the neckline of this dress. I have a total of 11 inches. I will determine the midsection of this neckline and then I'll mark the midsection. From that midsection, I'm going to go in by 2.5 inches on the sides of this neckline. I'll repeat the same for the other piece of the fabric as well, 2.5 inches away from the midsection. This is where my strap will be sitting on the dress. So I'll be stitching this strap down on half an inch on this neckline we have. I'll repeat the same process for the other piece of the fabric. Measure the neckline and then determine the midsection. Then you go in by 2.5 inches on both sides where the strap will be sitting on this dress. So when I'm done with that, I'll head to my sewing machine and then stitch the straps down on 1/2 inch on both the front and then the back of this piece of fabric. So the straps have been fixed. This is the dress at the moment. It's looking so cute and very easy. So the next thing we are going to do is to join the sides together on 1/2 inch. I'll join both sides, and then I would also clean the hemline of this dress by folding in 1/4 inch twice and then stitching all around. So we are done with the dress. This is how beautiful and how easy it is to make this cute dress with little to no sewing experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, share the video with your loved ones, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, then we'll see you in our next tutorial.